Hey y'all, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be doing Asian style fried rice, and we're going to be doing sweet and sour chicken. So let's get ready. Okay, first I like to start off with just doing the eggs. So what I'll do is I'll fry down the eggs first, put them to the side, and then add the rice after. So here we go. Cap full of oil should do the trick. And I also have some chopped onion here, and I'll be using minced garlic for the fried rice after. That usually never happens.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you like these videos.
I normally push it to the side, and then I'll start on the fried rice. I make sure I use day-old rice that's been sitting in the fridge. But first, let's add some oil. Some onion. And some garlic. Then I'll add my rice slowly. That should be good. Now I'll start with the seasoning. I normally do some pepper, just a little bit of salt, because remember that you're adding soy sauce, and that's pretty salty. So a little bit of salt, and we already have the onion chopped up, and we already have the garlic in there. So now all we need is the soy sauce. I typically buy the low sodium. And this is just going to be egg fried rice, no veggies. I typically let this cook down just for a few minutes and let it get a little bit crisp at the bottom. And then I'll normally shut it off because that about wraps the fried rice. Okay, so now that the chicken is all cut up and cubed like so, we're gonna go ahead and make sweet and sour fried chicken. This is the best sweet and sour sauce that I have found at the grocery store yet. Don't pass it up when you see it on the aisle. It's LA Choy or La Choy. It's the closest thing to takeout. So right here is going to be our egg wash for the batter.
Now I'm going to be putting all the pieces of chicken in the egg wash and then putting it in the batter to get ready to fry them. Depending on how big your pieces are, if you can kind of calculate how big mine are, I only usually put them in there for 5 minutes in the oil to fry, and then it's pretty much done. So keep a look at your timer.
While we're waiting for the oil to get ready or get hot, I want to talk to you about these. These are from Dollar Tree. Yes, Dollar Tree. They're called Jennifer's Garden spring rolls. You get 10 spring rolls in here for $1. And they taste just like takeout spring rolls, if not better. So I just pop these into my air fryer for a few minutes and we're good to go. So don't forget about these to complete your Asian meal. And then I found these pork and vegetable pot stickers. So we're gonna give these a try. I've never had these before, but I found these at Dollar Tree. So we shall see. And another thing that I do, once I have all of the nuggets in a pan like this, you can put a lid on, I'll normally just drizzle the sweet and sour sauce all on top, like this. Take the top, put it on, and just shake it. And then it's well covered.
Sweet and sour chicken, spring rolls, and fried rice. We're good to go. Time for dinner. Oh, pot stickers. Forgot. Look at my dinner plate. So delicious.